In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the SS-4 form completed. This is for people that have tried doing it online through the online portal, but it did not work. So you have to file and fax the SS-4 form to the IRS, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So to get started, to jump straight into it, you guys should have this form in front of you. Just search online SS-4 form, IRS, and it's going to be the first thing that pops up. So here, legal business name, legal name of entity, that's the business that you purchase. If you guys purchase an aged corporation from us, or if you guys have an LLC that you're applying for, select the LLC name that you've created, Matisse XYZ LLC. And then after that, trade name, if it's different, no. Executive, trustee, care, you can skip that. Mailing address, it's whatever your mailing address is. City and state and zip code, put your city, state, and zip code. If it's different, then no. County and state, put your county. Right now I'm in Miami-Dade, obviously Miami, Florida, state of Florida. Name of responsible party, that's going to be your name. It's going to be my full name, Matisse, but you're going to put yours. Then you're going to put 7B, that's going to be your social security number over here. I'm going through these quick so you guys can follow along as I'm doing it. If you guys have a single member LLC, so is this an application for a limited liability company? Yes, it is. How many members? Ideally one. For funding purposes, you want to keep it simple. One member. Okay, type of entity, it's a disregarded entity. Lovely. And then that is it. So state, wherever the state is located. For you guys that are purchasing age corps, it could be from Minnesota, it could be from Colorado, where they're registered. You want to put that registration, whatever the state that it's from, you want to put it right here. So watch out for that. Reason for applying, I generally put banking purposes, opening checking account. Then number 11, date that business started or was acquired. In this case, you guys are going to select the date that the business was started on when it comes to age corporations that you guys are purchasing. So put on this form, the date that it was started. You guys should see it on your own forms. I'm specifically speaking to my clients here. Now, number 12, month of the calendar year. It's going to be December. Number of employees, 0, 0, 0. Number 14, click the box. Skip number 15. And for the industry, principal activity of your business, I would recommend specifically consulting. What type of consulting? Marketing, consulting services. Has the applicant ever received an EIN before? No, you have not received an EIN before. Then you're going to put your name and title. So your name is obviously whatever your name is, and you're the owner of the company. Owner, put your phone number here, and you sign on the bottom, you date it, and that is it. Now, when it comes to where you fax this finished up SS-4 form, you're going to go to your local FedEx or post office, and they can fax it for you. So you're going to want to head over to SS-4 IRS fax number. Just look it up online. I'm going to show you guys here in this video right now. So here, you're going to want to fax it to this number, the 855-641-6935. You want to always check the website, make sure it's still accurate. And there it is. So guys, that was pretty much it for how to fill out the SS-4 form correctly and how to fax it and who to fax it. Hopefully I give you guys some value and shorten the learning curve on how to do this, because it took me many times to get this right. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Leave your comments down below. See you guys in the next video.